Aging is an inevitable part of life, and with it comes a natural decline in hormone production within our bodies. Hormones play a pivotal role in regulating numerous bodily functions, from metabolism and mood to energy levels and overall well-being. As we age, these hormonal changes can lead to a variety of physical and emotional challenges. However, there is a proactive solution that can help individuals maintain their youthful vitality and quality of life: early hormone replacement therapy. Hormone replacement therapy involves supplementing or replacing hormones that your body may no longer produce in sufficient quantities. This therapeutic approach can provide a wide range of benefits and has been traditionally associated with menopausal women. However, both men and women can experience hormonal imbalances as they age, leading to various health concerns. Just as a well-tuned engine performs better, youthful hormone levels are essential for optimal bodily functions. Starting HRT early can help preserve the energy, stamina, and vitality that many of us associate with our younger years. Hormones are central to maintaining bone density, muscle mass, and overall body composition. Early intervention through HRT can help prevent the age-related loss of bone density and muscle mass, reducing the risk of fractures and promoting long-term physical health. Hormones also play a key role in regulating mood and emotional well-being. Imbalances can lead to irritability, anxiety, and even depression. Early HRT can help stabilize mood, providing a more positive outlook on life and contributing to a higher quality of life. Hormones impact cognitive functions such as memory, focus, and mental clarity. Addressing hormonal imbalances early on may support better cognitive health and reduce the risk of cognitive decline as you age. Hormones influence metabolism, which affects weight management and the body's ability to process nutrients. Starting HRT early can help maintain a healthy metabolism and prevent unwanted weight gain. Hormonal changes can significantly impact sexual health and libido. By addressing these imbalances early, individuals can enjoy a more satisfying and fulfilling intimate life throughout the various stages of life. Hormonal imbalances have been linked to various health conditions such as cardiovascular diseases and osteoporosis. Early HRT may contribute to a reduced risk of developing these conditions and support long-term disease prevention. Elevate your well-being with hassle-free hormone replacement therapy through PrimeBody.com's telemedicine platform. Begin by registering on our user-friendly website and connecting with experienced hormone specialists for virtual consultations. From the comfort of your home, discuss your health history, concerns, and goals to develop a personalized hormone therapy plan. PrimeBody.com offers a range of treatments tailored to your needs, whether you are addressing menopausal challenges or age-related hormone changes. After evaluation and hormone testing, you will receive a comprehensive treatment plan, including prescribed medications delivered discreetly to your doorstep. With ongoing virtual support and follow-up consultations, PrimeBody.com combines medical expertise and convenience, enabling you to proactively manage hormone balance and embrace a vibrant life.